I like practicing English while folding clothes because it makes the task more enjoyable.
I agree, speaking English while cleaning helps me focus on both language and chores.
When I sweep the floor, I describe each action in English to improve my vocabulary.
That's a smart idea. I often narrate my steps while washing dishes to stay fluent.
I find it helpful to talk about the objects I'm cleaning, like the table or chair.
I do the same. I name each item in English as I dust the shelves.
While I mop the floor, I create sentences about the movement of the mop.
I usually talk about the water and soap, describing how they make the floor shine.
I enjoy making small stories about the broom and dustpan while I use them.
I create dialogues about the sponge and plate when I scrub them clean.
Sometimes I pretend I'm teaching someone how to clean in English.
I imagine giving instructions to a friend about organizing the books in English.
I like to practice polite requests, such as asking someone to pass me the towel.
I practice offering help, like saying I can carry the basket of laundry.
While I vacuum, I describe the sound and movement in English sentences.
I talk about the carpet and how the vacuum removes the dust effectively.
I practice adjectives by describing the clean surfaces as shiny, smooth, or fresh.
I add more adjectives when I describe the smell of soap or detergent.
I enjoy making comparisons, like saying the kitchen looks brighter than before.
I compare the rooms, saying the living room feels more comfortable than the bedroom.
I practice future tense by saying I will clean the windows after finishing the floor.
I use future tense too, saying I will organize the closet once the laundry is done.
I practice past tense by saying I cleaned the table before starting the dishes.
I use past tense by saying I folded the clothes before sweeping the floor.
I like to practice continuous tense by saying I am wiping the mirror right now.
I say I am arranging the cushions while I speak in English.
I practice giving directions, like telling myself to put the books on the shelf.
I give instructions to myself, such as placing the shoes neatly near the door.
I practice gratitude by saying thank you to myself for keeping the house tidy.
I express appreciation by saying I feel proud of my effort in cleaning.
I practice polite offers, like saying I can help with the heavy bucket.
I practice polite suggestions, like saying we should clean the windows together.
I practice making questions, like asking what should I clean next.
I ask myself how I can make the room look more organized.
I practice describing colors, like saying the white towel looks brighter now.
I describe the blue curtains and how they match the clean windows.
I practice describing sizes, like saying the big table takes longer to clean.
I describe the small cups and how easy they are to wash.
I practice describing textures, like saying the rough sponge helps scrub the pan.
I describe the smooth glass and how carefully I wipe it.
I practice describing smells, like saying the lemon soap smells refreshing.
I describe the fresh air after opening the window while cleaning.
I practice describing sounds, like saying the broom makes a soft brushing noise.
I describe the clinking sound of dishes while I wash them.
I practice describing feelings, like saying I feel relaxed while cleaning.
I describe the satisfaction I get when the room looks neat.
I practice making polite requests, like asking someone to open the window.
I practice making polite offers, like saying I can carry the laundry basket.
I practice making polite suggestions, like saying we could clean the kitchen first.
I suggest that we could start with the living room before moving to the bedroom.
I practice making polite invitations, like saying, let's clean together.
I invite myself to enjoy the process by speaking English while cleaning.
I practice making polite reminders, like saying, don't forget to wipe the table.
I remind myself to clean under the bed while speaking in English.
I practice making polite encouragements like saying, keep going, you're doing well.
I encourage myself by saying the house will look wonderful after cleaning.
I practice making polite compliments like saying the floor looks amazing now.
I compliment myself by saying the dishes are sparkling clean.
I practice making polite observations like saying the room feels brighter.
I observe that the air feels fresher after opening the window.
I practice making polite comments like saying the cushions look neat.
I comment that the books are arranged nicely on the shelf.
I practice making polite expressions like saying the house feels peaceful.
I express that the clean environment makes me feel calm.
I practice making polite statements like saying the kitchen is tidy.
I state that the living room looks organized and welcoming.
I practice making polite announcements like saying the cleaning is complete.
I announce that the laundry is folded and ready to be put away.
I practice making polite declarations like saying the house is clean.
I declare that the bedroom is neat and comfortable.
I practice making polite affirmations like saying I enjoy cleaning.
I affirm that speaking English while cleaning makes me happy.
I practice making polite reflections like saying cleaning teaches patience.
I reflect that practicing English while cleaning improves my fluency.
I practice making polite conclusions like saying the house looks perfect.
I conclude that cleaning and speaking English is a great combination.
I practice making polite summaries like saying today's cleaning was successful.
I summarize that I learn new words while cleaning the house.
I practice making polite evaluations like saying the kitchen looks better.
I evaluate that the living room feels more comfortable after cleaning.
I practice making polite judgments like saying the floor is spotless.
I judge that the dishes are cleaner than before.
I practice making polite decisions like saying I will clean the windows next.
I decide that I will organize the closet after finishing the laundry.
I practice making polite goals like saying I want to keep the house tidy.
I set a goal to improve my English while cleaning every day.
I practice making polite intentions like saying I intend to clean the fridge.
I intend to polish the table while speaking English.
I practice making polite promises like saying I promise to clean regularly.
I promise to practice English while doing household chores.
I practice making polite commitments like saying I commit to keeping the house neat.
I commit to speaking English during every cleaning session.
I practice making polite resolutions like saying I resolve to clean daily.
I resolve to improve my English while cleaning the house.
I practice making polite expressions of hope like saying I hope the house stays clean.
I hope my English improves through daily cleaning practice.
I practice making polite expressions of desire like saying I want a tidy home.
I desire to speak English fluently while cleaning.